Hello, Purenetwork Intelligence or Purenetwork Intel. Purenetwork Intel bring about connection between ads vendor and one-time click and an attempt to ensure that all registered ad vendor will make profit from their regular display of their various products and services on our website daily. Please, I must tell you before you engage in Purenetwork Intel. It's a referral program that you don't have to come and sit down and think you want to be earning some amount of money without you performing any tax. The tax you have to perform is you referring someone to invest, to buy that coupon code that you already bought in registering or before you register. Because if you are to register, let me click on register. So we understand what I'm trying to say here. You see that you have to put your first name, your last name, your username, password, email, phone number, circle, skills. After skills, your account number, and you have to input your coupon code. This coupon code has to be purchased around the amount of probably from 2,000 to 4,000. I don't really know how much it will be now. So guys, this is more like of Flourishwa motion again, smart network and Miratel that we all know about. Please guys, please, if you really know, you can actually promote by letting some persons to register under you with an amount of money, because this is an amount of money which has been paid to those people that you think, that you feel that they make this amount of money in a day, in a week, because those are the money. The amount of person that you refer will let you want to get what you have to get. So that is just all about Purenetwork Intel. Thank you guys, and God bless you.